Is it just to punish someone for a crime they committed in the past but have since repented for? This question has been debated by philosophers, legal experts, and the general public for centuries. On one hand, some argue that punishment is necessary to deter others from committing similar crimes, while others believe that forgiveness and rehabilitation should be the focus. One argument against punishing someone who has repented for their past crimes is that it goes against the principles of restorative justice. Restorative justice aims to repair the harm caused by the crime and to restore the relationships between the offender and the victim. Punishing someone who has already taken responsibility for their actions and shown remorse may not contribute to this goal. However, on the other hand, punishment is seen as necessary for maintaining order and upholding the law. If someone commits a crime, they must be held accountable for their actions, regardless of whether or not they have repented. This is especially important for crimes that involve harm to others, such as violent crimes or theft. It is also worth considering the impact of the crime on the victim and society as a whole. While repentance is an important step towards healing and rehabilitation, it does not necessarily undo the harm that was done. Punishment may provide a sense of justice for the victim and deter others from committing similar crimes. Ultimately, the decision of whether to punish someone who has repented for their past crimes is a complex one that requires a balance of compassion, accountability, and justice. It is important to consider the specific circumstances of each case and to strive towards a system that values both punishment and rehabilitation. In conclusion, the question of whether it is just to punish someone for a crime they committed in the past but have since repented for is not a simple one to answer. While punishment may be necessary to maintain order and uphold the law, it is also important to consider the principles of restorative justice and the impact of the crime on the victim and society as a whole. Ultimately, a balance must be struck between punishment and rehabilitation in order to create a just and equitable system.